Creating an email template in HubSpot allows you to streamline your email marketing efforts by standardizing the design and content of your emails. Here's how to create an email template. Navigate to Templates. Log into your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing Hub. Click on Email from the top menu, then select Templates from the left sidebar. Create a new template. Click the Create Template button to start creating a new email template. Choose Template Type. Select the type of template you want to create. Design your template. Use HubSpot's drag and drop editor to customize your email template. Add text, images, buttons, and other elements. Ensure the design reflects your brand style and messaging. Personalize and dynamic content. Use personalization tokens to insert dynamic content such as contact properties or company details. This makes your emails more personalized and engaging. Preview and test. Preview your template to ensure it displays correctly across different devices and email clients. Send a test email to yourself or team members to check formatting and functionality. Save your template. Once satisfied with the design, click the Save button to save your email template in HubSpot. Use your template. Your newly created email template is now available for use in email campaigns and automated workflows within HubSpot.